If you want to be successful as a personal trainer, overcome your fear of rejection. Get used to people saying no to you. Especially when you first start out, it might happen that the first few clients that you sit down with and you present your prices to say no to you. Do not let that alter your confidence in what you love to do. Not every conversation you have, nor every lead that you get will turn into a client. However, the worst thing that you can do is allow that to shake or stir your own confidence in what you want to do. Selling is a big part of the job as a personal trainer. You need to be confident in the service that you are providing. However, not every person you talk to is going to want to train with you. It could be price, it could be personality, it could be other personal reasons that we may or may not know. Do not allow that to shake who you are and what you do. Get used to people saying no, because the more you adapt to that, the more comfortably you are able to engage in conversations with new people every single day. It's a big part of the job. Accept it. Not every person's going to like you. Not every person's going to want to train with you. However, be good at your job, continue to be good at your job, and put your best foot forward in every conversation that you have.